you need to learn how to make viral videos. In 2026 and beyond, there is no reason why you're not cranking out viral videos. If you do pay per edit, dude, no one cares. If you're a video editor, watch this video because I'm gonna show you why you're broke. If you edit videos for creators, for brands, for businesses, and you're wondering why you're not making any money, this video is going to explain exactly that. There's only 2 ways to make money as a video editor, and me as a business owner, I'm not a video editor, by the way. I hire video editors. I've worked with thousands of video editors over the last several years, and this is exactly what I've learned. If you're from Pakistan, the Philippines, India, and you're working in a third world country, and you wanna make money, this is the reason you're broke, and I wanna help you guys so that you stop being broke, okay? There's only 2 ways to make money as a video editor. You have PPE, and then you have PB. These are the only ways that you can make money, is PPE or PB, okay? And 99% of the people are over here, and this is where you're making literally $1 to $3 an edit. PPE stands for pay per edit. You're literally making money per edit, whether it's a long form or a short form edit, and that is what's making you broke. You have to understand one key fundamental thing, that people in my position, brands, agencies, they don't give a shit about editing. The reason that people hire editors, fucking marker's dead. Never use a dead marker. Buckets. We want performance-based edit. This marker's also fucking dead. We have performance-based editing. You make a video which is 0 to 60 seconds long, okay? You make it for your client, and your client is right here, and they're very, very upset because they're paying you, $15 for this edit, but you don't understand one thing, that this person is going to post this on their cell phone, and they're gonna post this video that you just made, and then the next video, and then the next video, and then the next video. No one gives a shit about the edit, bro. I don't care if it's hyper-edited with motion graphics, if it has images popping up. We don't care. We care about one thing. This fucking marker's dead too. We care about one thing, views. But not only do we care about views, we care more specifically about making money, okay? So let me show you a funnel. This is exactly how editing should work, and this is what you guys need to take away from this video if you actually wanna make money. Dude, why are all these markers dead, bro? You make a video, you post the video, people watch the video, and then from the video, people will DM you. This is DMs. And then from there, they will usually either go to a calendar or they'll go to a product, like a checkout page. And then from there, they will buy. Okay, when somebody is hiring you, if they're smart, they don't care about the video. The video is step 1. They don't care at all. So stop doing pay per edit. PPE is literally how you're broke forever, okay? You need to do performance based. Why? Like, you need to focus on this right here, views. You need to focus on views, where you only get paid if videos perform, which is incredible, okay? And my business is structured around this. So for 1M views, you get paid $1,500. Now you're like, well, what if it doesn't get 1 million views? Then guess what? You get fucking $0. And you're like, well, sir, I don't understand. It's like, you need to learn how to make viral videos. In 2026 and beyond, there is no reason why you're not cranking out viral videos. If you do pay per edit, dude, no one cares. This is you, and this is another editor. That's another editor. And guess what? There's fucking billions of people on this earth and millions with an M of editors. You have so much competition. And you know what you compete on? You compete on one number. You compete on your price per edit. Some people do $3, some people do $20, some people do $50, but you compete on price. And people like me, if you just compete on price for one edit, you know what I'm gonna say? I'm gonna go with the cheapest guy. And so guess what? It is a race to 0. Your job as an editor is to extract emotions, and if you can do that, you're gonna go viral. And if you can get emotion out of a human being, you're gonna be able to make as much money as you humanly want. But stop charging per edit. This is the fastest way to be broke in your entire life, okay? I love you guys very much. If you guys found this video interesting, go ahead and follow for more, subscribe to the channel. I love you guys all. Peace out.